In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Samsung TV screen flickering problem. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If your Samsung TV is flickering, this could be due to various reasons. In this video, I'm going to present different solutions that you can follow to help you address this and what to do if none of them work. So first, always do basic checks and resets. You can start with a power cycle. So unplug the TV from the power outlet, wait about 60 seconds, and then turn it back on. By doing a quick power cycle, you can address temporary issues that might be happening. This is easy to do and you can do it regardless of the model. If the power cycle does not work, you can turn off the TV by pressing and holding any physical power buttons on the TV itself, not the remote, for about 30 seconds, and then afterwards you can reset the TV. The next thing to do is to check the cable connections that you have on the back. If you have loose or damaged cables, especially HDMI, this will cause flickering. So ensure that all needed cables are properly inserted, especially HDMI. So if you are trying to use something from a game console, for example, it is important that the cables are fully inserted into their respective slots. This goes for every single cable that you are using. If it's still giving you trouble, you can check any other connections and of course test with different cables because this can help rule out a faulty cable that you might be using. Now on the TV settings itself, open up the menu and access the settings. Now, most models of Samsung Smart TVs will have a menu similar to this, but it can be a little bit different. First, make sure that there is no energy saving feature enabled. Energy saving modes or brightness optimization can sometimes interfere with the display, so if you see anything related to battery optimization or battery or energy saver, then disable that. And in the picture settings, incorrect picture settings can cause flickering. Usually you should leave this unoptimized. However, if you see it set to manual, then you have to manually change what it is set to on the picture size settings. And if your TV has a refresh rate setting, make sure that it is set to a proper refresh rate that it can handle. Besides this, perform software updates regularly, and if it still doesn't work, then the best course of action would be to send it to the customer support. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Samsung TV screen flickering problem. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.